In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mailchimp say the subscriber's name in the email. So the first thing that we'll need to do is go over to the create button on the top left corner and click on it. And here you will be clicking on regular email. So just click on the design email on the button or on the bottom and wait for it to load. And here you'll be asked how you want to design your email, either from scratch, basic layout, or a fully designed template. I'll be choosing the basic layout as an example and choose any of the layouts that you want. For me, I'll go with minimal and click on apply on the selected layout. Now here, uh, let's change the text as an example. So for example, we'll have dear, for example, first name. All we need to do is highlight the first name of or the written first name and go over to merge tags on the top right over here and click on it, and here you will be able to click on first name. So what this does is it automatically changes to the first name of the recipient of that email, and that's about it. That's how to make Mailchimp say the subscriber's name in the email. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.